My name is Randy Dalton. I'm a Canadian citizen. I live in Toronto, Ontario, and I've been a patient of Dr. Samadi's for about a year. And just wanted to tell my story and how I came in touch with him and the good fortune I've had being treated by him since we had that initial meeting. About a year ago, after my PSA tests were increasing incrementally over the last few years and eventually became over the threshold of 4, it was suggested that I have a biopsy, and as it turned out, it was determined that I had cancer of the prostate, and hence my meeting with Dr. Samadi. But leading up to that, I'd gone to a number of the best specialists in the Toronto area, and was given a rather difficult prognosis that the cancer could be treated, but I was likely to have serious side effects thereafter for a variety of reasons, but one being that I'd had previous abdominal surgery and there was a lot of scar tissue in that area, which made it difficult to use a robotic procedure. Based on a discussion I had with a friend of mine who's also a physician in the Toronto area who worked with Dr. Samadi at Lenox Hospital, I was able to arrange a consultation with Dr. Samadi, took all the information that I had, biopsy and otherwise, and discussed how he would approach the removal of the prostate. And when I met with him, surprise to me, I was expecting to hear the same scenario as what I'd been told in Toronto. However, with the way he approaches the procedure, he advised me that chances were that we'd be able to deal with the cancer and also minimize the side effects by sparing the nerves. Based on that and many other references, I decided to proceed with Dr. Samadi, thankfully so. The surgery was performed last March, and I had a very quick recovery. In fact, I was back and able to work in a limited capacity 2.5 weeks after the surgery. And subsequent to that, I've had several 0 PSA tests. Incontinence is no longer an issue, and everything is starting to work as expected as well. So I give him the strongest possible endorsement. Do your research and fact finding, but if you want to bet on a horse that's already won, go to Dr. Samadi and he'll look after you the same way he looked after me. Best advice I could ever give you.